This to be enough.
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Carolina, Union County in the Piedmont of North Carolina until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Mecklenburg County in the near Indian Land or near Marvin, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour, 4:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Indian Land, or near Marvin, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour, wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source,
Intercepted!
damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power. Locations impacted include Monroe, Indian Trail, Weddington, Unionville, Wesley Chapel, Windon, Wausau, Marshall, Lake Park, and Middleton. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Mecklenburg, and Union.
Mix 1079. Traffic.
All right, Charlotte, still seeing those big delays. 485 out.